under the big wall cloud, and there's still debris getting kicked up.
There
from what
is.
I can tell.
People in the way.
But
now.
it appears to be weakening, which is good.
It crossed right
Hopefully
here.
for the town here. And then over to the left again.
It crossed right here.
That's a big, massive.
All right, there's debris on the road.
And
it hit the gap. Oh my gosh.
wow.
There's utter
Just
destruction.
went through here.
Get that. Oh, it's natural. There's gas leaking.
Smell gas.
There's gas leaking. You can hear it.
Just listen to the cars.
Car flashes.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Doesn't sound like you have a flat,
No.
but that's a nice little vortex in there.
Oh.
Whoa, look at the lightning go across it. Lots of power lines, be careful.
Yeah, I know.
You don't know what to expect in the road over
Weird like that.
here. Yeah. Funny that I would say it right then.
It's big.
It is.
Again.
It's getting big, 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 big. Nice little cone in there.
Oh, multi-vortex.
Actually, a big cone, not a little cone.
You getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Now we're gonna continue north. Here.
It's not careful with driving, obviously.
Is it to our north? Is that the circulation we're on?
Yeah. Hold on, there's stuff on the road here. Slow down, slow down. Circulation's to the north. That's the tornado up there.
Okay though, right?
Slow down, because I can't see a damn thing. I think, yeah, I
Yeah,
think
it's
we're
up ahead of
okay.
us. Right?
It's up ahead of me.
What is this over here behind us? Is that just RFD?
I hope so.
Oh, you hope so. That's wonderful.
Yeah, it's gotta be hard.
Oh my god, it's huge.
If you're in doubt, dude, just stop. Just go north.
Well, I just want to make sure you're the one that's. Yeah, it's up ahead of us.
Yeah,
I mean, you're reading radar. I'm doing video here.
I'm also.
All right, we're good. I can tell. I can see RFD.